leg kicks. Counters off of leg kicks. So as they come in here, there's a couple of options you have. One is he throws that kick and I punch him right in the face. And lean in, take it, punch him in the face. Okay? The other is he throws the kick, I'm going to slip out of the way and kick him back. Okay? Now, when you're kicking each other, the idea is to kick with intent. The intent is to cut their leg off. So you choose. I mean, if you're just going to do this in a fight, you're not going to get much. So you really want to kick with intent. Every time you kick them in the leg, because you're working drills, you fight just like you train. You train with a lackadaisical approach, that's the way you're going to fight. So when he kicks me in the leg, he's trying to kick me in the leg. You're going to make me miss. Okay? We'll go with those two for now. I don't want to get checking yet. So leg kick comes, lean in, punch him. Okay, take the kick, or kick comes, slip it all together and kick him back. Okay? Only the lead foot steps back, forward again. Okay? Back, and forward. Right? Go.